What's good, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video in Sheikh Nabil Aesthetics, and today I'll be talking about the one diet chart you need for losing weight or body fat. Let's get started. He's a commando, ninja, a force of nature rising. Commando, ninja, he's thunder and he's lightning. Commando, ninja. So I have created this diet chart for only two types of people. One, if you are having good amount of muscle mass and you're only trying to become lean by losing body weight, body fat, then this diet chart is for you. Second individual are those who wants to just lose weight. They don't care about their muscle mass, or they don't work out, they don't do any activities, just some lazy persons. But yeah, you can also lose weight if you are in the second category. And one more important thing is that this diet chart will be effective for you if you are above 75 kg or 160 pounds, because I have only created this diet chart for those types of people. So in this diet chart you're going to see that I didn't actually have that much caloric deficit, because as I have already said, when you are in a big calorie deficit, you're going to lose weight much faster, and it will also result in muscle mass loss. So yeah, I have kept it really low, 300 calorie. And if you are someone who is more overweight, let's say 90 kg, 100 kg, then you're going to lose weight faster. But if you strictly follow this diet chart, you're going to also gain muscle mass at the same time. This is also like you're going to lose body fat, at the same time you're going to gain muscle mass. Why? Because this chart has enough protein for a 85 kg individual who a good amount of muscle mass in his body. This diet chart has almost over 100 grams of protein, and you don't require 200-300 grams protein per day. And if you're someone who is obese, you don't require half protein of your body fat, because you have like so many fat in your body fat in your system that it will be used for making the muscles. So yeah, link will be in description for the PDF. And I have done a simple thing in that PDF, that I have signed it with my name, because I don't want anyone to steal it. I required 2 hours for making this diet chart, and there is also some pretty good information I have wrote down in that PDF. You can also check that out, you can follow that, and that diet chart has no BS. All right. And one more thing I have kept in mind, that I created this diet chart only for male, but if you are a female you can also follow this, but you have to cut down some meal, because a female individual doesn't require that much calorie like a male individual. So yeah, and if you want to if you're a male and want to cut down some meal from my diet, you can also do that. All the calories are written, the proteins are written too, and I don't care about the calorie which is in veggies and fruits, because they are so low. It doesn't matter, all right. I don't care about vegetable and fruits calorie. You can have black coffee whenever you want, you can have sugar, you can have sodium in your diet, it doesn't matter, all right. Potassium, sodium, it doesn't matter. Just eat whatever you want, but keep it in a calorie deficit. And if you want to make your own diet chart, you can also watch my previous video about how to calculate your maintenance calories. You can get an idea about that, your maintenance calories, and from that you can be in a deficit and use my diet chart for having more efficient results. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and got helpful. Please be sure to leave a like, share with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, peace.